Welcome to the third lesson of the Living Things series. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify characteristics of organisms in the same habitat and what they have in common. By now, we know every living organism is made or designed to live and survive in a particular habitat based on its adaptive features. And there are 7 characteristics all living organisms possess, which are movement, respiration, nutrition, irritability, growth, excretion, reproduction, and death. These characteristics differentiate living things from non-living things. However, there are some characteristics that living organisms in the same habitat have in common, and they include specialized digestive systems. Animals that live in the grasslands, like cows, have specialized teeth and digestive systems that help in breaking down the tough grass. Physical features. Predators that ambush their prey have skin colors that closely resemble their environment. This enables them to blend in and sneak up to their prey. Feeding habits. Due to the relatively high ambient temperatures in the grasslands, some herbivores, such as antelopes, graze at night. This is when the vegetation has the most water content. Specialized mode of excretion. Birds and reptiles in the desert retain water as their metabolic wastes are excreted in the form of an insoluble white compound called uric acid. Living organisms that live in the same habitat interact every day. This interaction is a vital part of how they develop and change over time. The following are basic types of relationships that living things have with one another. 1. Commensalism. This is a symbiotic relationship in which one organism consumes the unused food of another. Example, the shark and the remora fish. The dorsal fin of the remora fish is modified into the sucker with which it forms a temporary attachment to the shark. When the shark feeds, the remora picks up the scraps. The shark makes no attempt to prey on the remora fish. Sometimes, one species can benefit from a relationship and not hurt the other. 2. Competition. This relationship is when 2 species are competing for the same resources. 3. Mutualism. This is when 2 organisms live together in harmony. It is a beneficial relationship and it helps them both survive. 4. Predation. This is a relationship where an organism called the predator uses another organism known as a prey as a food source. 5. Parasitism. This is a close association between 2 living organisms of different species which is beneficial to one and harmful to the other. The benefiting organism is called the parasite, while the harmed organism is called the host. They all feed off the host, not killing it right away, but slowly sucking the life out of it. Examples include fleas on dogs. This brings us to the end of the lesson. Today, we have learned about the major characteristics of living things, the characteristics of living things in the same habitat, and the relationship of organisms in the same habitat. See you in the next lesson.